Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, #on the menu. Today we are making crispy sage chicken. I don't use sage a lot in my recipes, but I was looking for a way because we actually have it in our garden. And to me, this pairs perfectly, and it includes a nice brown butter sauce. So to start, I've got my gluten-free flour, and I've added my seasonings in there, which is our paprika, garlic, poultry seasoning, salt, and pepper. I've also added those same seasonings to my chicken, which I have cut in half and pounded nice and flat. And I'm just going to start by putting pressing the flour into my chicken and coating it as well as I can. You don't need to use an egg wash and to help hold the flour. It actually holds perfectly fine just like this. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and put about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in my pan, and then to that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now I'm going to cook my chicken on both sides until golden brown, about 4 minutes each side. I'm doing my chicken in batches, so I'm removing this and I'm just going to put it on some paper towels to drain and not so it doesn't get soggy. Once your chicken is done and set aside, you're going to start making your brown butter sauce. So to my pan, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to start kind of deglazing the pan and making sure I get all that delicious pieces of chicken and flavor that's at the bottom in my sauce. And then I'm going to go in with my fresh sage that is dry. You want to make sure your sage is very dry. And I'm going to let that fry in the brown butter sauce until you start to see it kind of foaming around the edges of the sage. It may not look like it's crispy. It may be kind of soft when you're moving it, but you just want to do that for about a minute or so, not too long. You'll start to smell the sage in the air. It smells amazing. And then you're going to remove it with a slotted spoon to make sure you get all the oil out, and then put that to the side on some paper towels to drain. And here I'm going in with a mixture of chicken broth, and then it's 2/3 cup chicken broth and 1/3 cup white wine. Once that starts to cook down and cook some of the alcohol out of there, I'm just adding my chicken pieces in now to sit in the sauce. And this is only for about a few minutes, like 5 minutes or so, not long, because we want to keep our chicken crispy on the top. Put about a teaspoon of lemon juice, very little, because the lemon juice can be overpowering if you put too much. And then you're just sprinkling on top your crispy sage leaves, and you are done. That's it. That is our crispy sage chicken with a brown butter sauce. Again, it pairs perfectly with mashed potatoes or even a pasta or rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notifications so you don't miss another one. Thanks, you guys. See you later.